A dog came out of nowhere and bit you. Maybe it was your neighbor's dog. Maybe it happened during a walk in your neighborhood in Baltimore County or Frederick or Anne Arundel County or anywhere else here in the state of Maryland. You're in pain. You're maybe a little shocked, and now you're wondering, do I even have a case? Is this something a lawyer can help with? Hi, I'm attorney Bobby Zirkin. I've been a personal injury attorney for over 25 years and a member of the Maryland House of Delegates and the Maryland State Senate. My firm, Zirkin Schmerling Law, has handled Maryland dog bite cases for decades. And yes, you likely have a case, but the rules in Maryland are specific and complicated, and you need to understand them. Here is how dog bite liability works in our state. Maryland law allows you to pursue a dog bite claim under two main theories. The first is what's called strict liability, meaning the owner is responsible without you having to prove that they were careless, provided you can show that they knew or should have known that their dog had dangerous or vicious propensities, or if they were allowing the dog to run at large. The second is common law negligence, meaning that the owner was careless in a way that caused the bite. Here's what that means for you practically. The owner's history with the dog matters. Prior bites really matter. If that dog has a record of aggression, or if the owner knew about it and let the dog run free, the case becomes very strong. I want to tell you about a case that changed the law here in Maryland. One of my clients was walking to her car in an alley behind her home in Baltimore City when the neighbor's German Shepherd attacked her without warning. We fought that case. We won a judgment of $132,000 for her medical bills and pain and suffering for that case. The jury awarded it to her. The defendant actually appealed to the Appellate Court of Maryland. The court upheld the verdict and established a legal precedent that strengthened the rights of dog bite victims across the entire state. Now, I have to tell you about Maryland's contributory negligence rule because it does apply here. If the insurance company or the dog owner can show that you somehow provoked the dog, for example, or that you assumed the risk somehow of being bitten, they will try to use that to deny your entire claim. That is why how you describe what happened really matters from the very first conversation with your lawyer, with your doctors. Do not minimize your injuries. Do not say that you were kind of reaching toward the dog. Do not accept any payment from the owner and especially their insurance company before talking to an attorney. Once you accept anything, your case can be done depending on if you sign something. Get medical attention. Document the bite with photographs. Get the owner's information and any information about the dog's history. Then call us. If you were bitten by a dog here in Maryland, our consultations are absolutely free, and you owe us nothing unless we win. Call us at 410-753-4611. Do not go at this thing alone.